Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can quickly delete your subscribers in TikTok. Please, friends, put your likes under this video, write your comments at the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, friends, let's get to the topic. When you want to delete all your subscribers, you first need to open the TikTok app itself. And then at the bottom, click on your profile. Next, friends, go to the subscribers option. And let's say, if here you would like to delete any one subscriber, you will need to find him. Then, next to it, click on the three dots. And here you'll need to select Remove from Subscribers. Confirm this action. This way, the person will be deleted immediately. But what if you have, for example, hundreds or even thousands of subscribers, and to delete each in turn will be very long and problematic? Then, friends, you'll also need to go to your page. At the top, click on the three bars. Next, Settings and Privacy. Now here you're gonna scroll down a little bit and select Report a Problem. Then also scroll down and select the lowest right function. Now, friends, you will need to write in this chat and describe your problem. To do this, click on the message bar and then you can describe your problem. For example, "Hello, TikTok support. Please delete all my subscribers." Or you can write it as you like. After that, friends, you will need to send such a message by clicking on the red Here button to send. After that, you will just have to wait for some time for the support team to remove your subscribers. This is the way, friends, you can quickly delete all your subscribers in TikTok. I hope you found this video useful, friends. Please don't forget to give your likes, subscribe to this channel, and take care of yourself.